What if I told you a surgeon can take a vein from your leg and save your life from deadly heart attack? Stay till the end, we'll show complete process of open heart surgery. Before dive into the video, please like and subscribe because you can save a life one day with the knowledge you will gain. Open heart surgery is done when the heart can't do its job properly anymore. Your heart's main job is to pump oxygen-rich blood to the entire body. To do that, it also needs its own blood supply through small vessels called coronary arteries. When a coronary artery is blocked, it cannot supply blood to a specific part of your heart. Then the heart muscle is starved of oxygen for too long, it begins to die. This condition is called coronary artery disease. That's when surgery becomes urgent or even life-saving. This surgical procedure is called coronary bypass surgery or bypass surgery. Here's what really happens. First, the patient is given general anesthesia. They are fully asleep and won't feel anything. Then, the surgeon opens the chest to access the heart. In many cases, the heart is temporarily stopped. A heart-lung machine takes over. It pumps blood and oxygen through the body, keeping everything alive while the heart is still. Now comes the critical part. The surgeon takes a healthy blood vessel from another part of the body. Usually, this comes from the leg, the arm, or the chest. This vessel is called a graft. The surgeon then attaches one end of the graft above the blocked artery and the other end below the blockage. This creates a new route for blood to flow around the blockage. Think of it like a road detour. When the main road is blocked, you build a new path to keep traffic moving. Sometimes more than one artery is blocked, so surgeons may create 2, 3, or even 4 bypasses in a single surgery. Once all the grafts are in place, the heart is restarted. In many cases, it begins beating on its own. If not, a small controlled electric shock helps restore the rhythm. Then, the chest is carefully closed and the patient is moved to recovery. Over time, these new pathways improve blood flow to the heart muscle. This reduces chest pain, improves breathing, and can prevent heart attacks. Open heart surgery sounds extreme, and it is, but it's also one of the most powerful procedures in modern medicine. Because when arteries fail, surgeons don't just fix the problem, they build a whole new way for the heart to survive.
Subscribe to our channel to get valuable insights of your body.